Hi, this next video is on the one-way wireless door contact. Now there's just a few things that I need to go through on this door contact so people get the idea of how it actually works. So as you can see, there's two terminals just at the top here. Now these terminals you can wire a normal door contact off as a normally closed door contact, and then you need to do that by switching dip switch 1 and dip switch 6 into the on position. Now as default, all the dip switches are in the off position. So if you wanted to wire a wired door contact but you couldn't get a wire, you could put one of these up in a roof space and maybe just drop the cable down from the top and then into the normal wired door contact. Now the second thing that you might need to do with this door contact is, say for example you've got a wireless PIR in the hallway and then you've got the front door contact. From time to time you might find that when you close the door and you get 30 seconds down the road, a minute down the road depending on your exit time, and the alarm's going off. It basically means that the panel has not received the close signal from the front door. And now on the dip switches, if you look closely, you can see you've got number 1 at this end and number 8 at this end. Now you need to go from 1 up to dip switch 4 and flick that into the on position, which basically gives the door contact a double transmission. So every time you close the door, you get close, close, and when you open the door, you get open, open. Now the panel will always ignore the secondary signal. So if it gets an open, it'll ignore the second open. If it gets a close, it'll ignore the second close, for example. Now, as you can see, you've got a little tamper button here. Now, if for whatever reason when you put your lid on, it still says it's in tamper, you need to ensure that the spring is touching the plastic at the back of the door, or it's a wooden door. And then inside the lid, you've got the little metal clip that presses the spring down. If that's missing, then you'll still have a tamper. The other thing to look out for is on this side of the plastic where the actual circuit board goes in, you've got the line. Now that line is the marker for the reed switch. So if the magnet line's up on the wrong side and that line's not there, then your door is going to show permanently open all the time. There are other features, but they're the basic ones. So if you got any comments, please leave them. But for that video, that's it for now. Thank you very much.